here to investigate what I can only gather as another hot summer night. I know it as I'm here. It's another day in a town that they know as Music City. On hot summer nights, I know it as the armpit of the South. I'm here to investigate another and only guess is another lifeless vermin in this city of Nashville.
Really gotta stop doing that once upon a dream bullshit. It's really cringy.
The great detective decided to leave his starting assistant in the elevator.
What the hell? You can't do that. Anyways, word on the street is that the victim was a real rodent.
Don't speak ill of the dead.
Evening, gentlemen. Seems our victim here was impaled in the stomach with shards of glass, crawling around on the floor.
I'm sorry, did you say crawling on the floor?
Indeed, I did. Seems like he had a great big struggle before he went out.
Are you suggesting that the victim was murdered?
Well, we certainly can't put that out of our minds yet, can we?
Do you have any witnesses?
Just one. Miss Julia. She's the one that owns this loft. She's getting checked out by the medics, but she's almost through if you'd like to join me.
Julia, I'm led to believe that this is your apartment, correct?
Yes, it's mine. We were in the middle of some renovations, but I can show you around if you'd like. Let me just show you around.
It's quite all right. No.
He would have loved the new windows.
And, how old was the victim?
I never really knew. Honestly, he was timeless and secretive, so.
And, where was he originally from?
He was always on the go, on the wheel, you could say. I honestly don't know how he ended up in a place like this, but he was from Algeria. No, really, just a quick tour.
How'd you know the guy? How did you say you knew the victim?
Sir, he was the love of my life. I've never loved anybody the way I loved him. I really did do my best to make this place feel like a home.
How did you know it?
I've never loved a man the way I loved him. He was just the cutest little guy.
Well, thank you very much for your time, ma'am. All right, everybody, let's wrap it up and be out of here in 20.
The photos will be on your desk by tomorrow. Do you need anything specific, Detective?
DNA. Really dig in there and get lots of it. It's a shame. He would have been a good hamster.
It's a gerbil, boss.
Just finishing up here. Sorry for your loss, Mr. Garcia.
I'm a proposed city and I'm down beneath the stars. I must have broke the heartstrings of 1,000 bass guitars. I wandered through a wasteland that was passing for a glimpse of heaven. I strolled into the town, and everyone so pretty. Then shots rang out and I hit the ground before they came and took my peace away. They beat me and I said enough, okay, I'll do the time. It's easy